The next reaction of phenol is oxidation. Phenol undergo oxidation in the presence of sodium dichromate and sulfuric acid form a diketone known as benzoquinone. During this reaction, hydrogen from OH and H from paracarbon is removed and oxygen will add to the para position and form benzoquinone. Here, sodium dichromate and sulfuric acid combine to form chromic acid, and this chromic acid acts as an oxidizing agent and help the oxidation of phenol to benzoquinone. The next important reaction of phenol is Kolb's reaction. In this reaction, phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide, carbon dioxide and further acidification produce the final product 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, because out of this two functional group COOH possess high priority. Okay, so OH group become like a substituent. So the IUPAC name is 2-hydroxy, OH is hydroxy benzoic acid, and the common name is salicylic acid. This reaction helps to introduce COOH group on phenol compound. Okay, it helps to convert phenol to salicylic acid. Now I will show you the detailed reactions taking place in Kolb reaction. The starting compound of Kolb reaction is phenol. Phenol react with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, form sodium phenoxide, ONA. How it is forming? OH is acidic, NaOH is base, so it undergo neutralization reaction and remove water, H2O, then salt. Sodium phenoxide is salt. The next step, sodium phenoxide will react with carbon dioxide. The structure of carbon dioxide is like this: CO2, the structure is like this, C double bond O, double bond O. Due to the electronegativity difference, carbon shift the pi electron to oxygen, because oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So oxygen become del negative and carbon become del positive. Okay, carbon become del positive. Instead of ring, we can represent by using pi bond, double bonds. There are 3 pi bonds. Okay, now here it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. This pi electrons will shift to this carbon. Okay, then it become negative, ONA. Then after shifting, this carbon become negative. Then positive carbon will add it to this negative charge. Okay, so negative charge, then positive will make a bond, C. Then double bond O, no change. Then double bond O, already the pi electron shifted to oxygen, so it become O negative. Now how many bonds surround this carbon? 1, 2, 3. So already one hydrogen is present here. Okay, one hydrogen is present on the carbon. Here one hydrogen is present. In the next step, undergo rearrangement. Okay, one type of organic reaction is called a rearrangement reaction. Na positive from ONA, Na positive present on O will shifted to O minus. Positive will attract negative. Then H from here will shift to O. Okay, and product will form like this. Double bond, then C O minus and Na plus is moved here, so it becomes ONA. Then double bond O. Then oxygen, H present on this carbon shifted to oxygen, so it becomes OH. Then this 2 electron, see H is moving to oxygen, H is moving to oxygen without electron in the form of proton, because O minus is here, so proton H plus is moving to O minus. So these 2 electrons will shift again back to ring and form bond, pi bond. So again it becomes like a benzene ring. Okay, this intermediate on further acidification, H plus further acidification produce final product salicylic acid. Okay, structure of salicylic acid is like this. OH, here OH, C double bond O, OH. Okay, orthohydroxy benzoic acid, or another name is salicylic acid. During this reaction, during acidification, what will happen? H plus, what is H plus? Hydrochloric acid, HCl. So we can write H plus Cl minus. Intermediate, here we can write O minus Na plus. So Na and Cl combined to form NaCl. So NaCl is the byproduct. Then this H plus will add to O. Okay, then C double bond O, OH, C double bond O, OH, and OH. Then C double bond O, OH, we can write COH, COH. Okay, and second position OH, so the name is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Okay, and the common name is, what is the common name of the compound? Common name is salicylic acid. Okay, salicylic acid is the final product of cold reaction. Okay, so cold reaction is used for preparation of salicylic acid from phenol. Okay, and this is the complete reaction taking place during cold reaction. Did you get it? Okay, thank you.